Hey high leveler, did you know that you can use conversation AI to actually handle all of your support requests? That's right, why would we have humans handle our support requests when AI can do just as good of a job? So today I'm going to show you how you can set up conversation AI to handle all of your support inside of HighLevel. My name is Andrew and let's dive right in. Now we all know how to set up a conversation AI agent. We go to AI agents, conversation AI, click create bot, and it's very straightforward. And whenever we set up our bot, there's two ways that we can really make these really good at customer support. So the first thing that's super crucial is our actual prompting. We're gonna hop into this software expert bot, which I already made and I've been using for customer support for the past year now. Now, a couple of things that are gonna make these really, really good. First, we can turn on allowing this bot to respond to images and voice notes. We can also turn on send the bot to sleep whenever we send a manual message or a workflow message. This is crucial, so that way if a team member hops into the support chat, then that way they actually engage with the team member and the conversation AI doesn't butt in. This is one of the important parts of actually setting up a good conversation AI support agent. Now the second part of our prompting is going to be found under bot goals. Now you need to include things like this in our 3 sections for personality, goal, and additional guidelines. For personality, make sure that you set the tone, make sure that they're warm, confident, and encouraging. Celebrate success. This is really useful for getting really good support messages with conversation AI. So you can tell it to say things like nice work or you're almost there. Things like that can help a lot. You can tell it that it can interpret voice notes and videos, and make sure that you tell it not to handle appointment bookings, cancellations, or reschedules. The second thing is to include your goal. So this software actually guides my customers through using HighLevel. So this conversation AI bot actually guides my customers through using my HighLevel. So in the goal, we want to tell it to help users use the software, use relevant screenshots, guide users through the process, and so on. Now, as long as we have good prompting set up here under personality, goal, and additional information, the second thing that makes these things really powerful is the knowledge base. Now, your knowledge base for your conversation AI agent is under bot training. Make sure that you have set up a knowledge base with all the information about your business and your software or whatever you're having them actually support your customers on, set up under knowledge bases. So you can go to knowledge base at the top of our screen, and then you can set up your knowledge base with web crawlers, FAQs, rich text, file uploads, tables, all of this. Especially the FAQs are going to make things really, really easy whenever it comes to getting really good customer support. So we've got all these examples of conversations and questions that customers have asked, and we have the right types of responses set up for our AI agent so it knows how to respond for each one of these. And the last step is deploying these agents. And my personal favorite is deploying them inside of live chat widgets, because that way you can see all of your customers' questions inside of their chat window. They can talk back and forth inside of here, and this will actually have conversations with their AI agent, so that way the AI agent can help them with those customer support problems. And if they ever want to escalate to a human, you can set up those sorts of actions inside of your prompting within your conversation AI agent, so that way if someone asks for a human and someone engages, or even if someone doesn't engage, it can tell them that you're going to get a team member, and then it can handle them within this process. So use a web chat widget, use the get code function, install this on a website for support for your customers, so that way they can get constant support using conversation AI. Now, if you're a high-level reseller and you don't want to spend all that time making a perfect support agent, or even having to find team members to hop into those conversations whenever those support conversations don't go right with an AI, you can sign up for SaaS Suite, which is what this system is right here. This is our own native AI support system, which works within a menu link as well as within a little pop-up for customers to actually ask questions and get help from team members, get help from our AI, and get guided to completely white label custom videos to teach them all of the different things that they need to do within the platform. If you don't have a HighLevel account already, don't worry. Whenever you join under us, you get access to SaaS Suite completely for free. So your customers and yourself will get complete 24/7 support from my team instead of HighLevel's team. And if you already have a HighLevel account and you want to try out SaaS Suite completely for free, just click the link in the description to try it out and get custom conversation AI support within HighLevel today. So if you run a HighLevel agency, comment SaaS on this video and I will personally send you a video showing you my entire breakdown for managing over 1,200 sub accounts on HighLevel using this support system. As always, my name is Andrew and I'll see you in the next one.